Good night. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 33 issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 25, 2025 at 2000 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as Category 2 Hurricane Melissa continues to strengthen. At 7 p.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.5 degrees north, longitude 75.6 degrees west. This is about 168 kilometers south-southeast of Morant Point or 210 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa is moving slowly toward the west near 6 kilometers per hour. A slow westward motion is expected tonight and through the weekend. A turn to the north and northeast is forecast on Monday and Tuesday. Reports from Hurricane Hunter aircraft indicate that maximum sustained winds have increased to near 155 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Rapid intensification is forecast to continue over the next couple of days, and Melissa is forecast to become a major hurricane by Sunday and is expected to be a major hurricane tomorrow, and is expected to still be a major hurricane when making landfall in Jamaica early next week. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 30 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 260 kilometers. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 650 millimeters, that's 15 to 25 inches, over parts of Jamaica in the next few days. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely. On the forecast track, the center of Melissa is expected to move closer to Jamaica during the weekend and over the island on Tuesday. As the hurricane moves closer, expect tropical storm force winds to initially affect the island, mainly over eastern parishes by tonight, with hurricane conditions expected by Sunday or Monday. Life-threatening storm surge is becoming more likely along the south coast of Jamaica later in the weekend or early next week. Peak storm surge heights could reach 7 to 11 feet above ground level, near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. This storm surge will be accompanied by large and destructive waves. Small craft operators, including fishers on the quays and banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 11 p.m. today. That was Bulletin 33 issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good night.